and I will never change. I will always love you. I will always take your heart. And all the years of losing you and then being close to you again, the very chance that I could take your heart, your hand in mine.
You are inside me.
One more time.
Don't you remember me?
And the days that lie ahead may all go wrong, but tonight, my